All right, so let's slow this down, really take a good look at it. And this is what's great about online training, is that I can show this much detail. You know, when someone's paying me $1,800 a day for training in person, a moment can just fly by like this, and you can't really break it down because the camera really can't pick up on what we're seeing, what we really need to see in person. But this way I can really stop it and slow it down and really explain it. And this is a really good shot at it right here. Look how intact those waves on the outside are. And look at the distance between my pushes and those waves. So they don't just flatten out and go away. That's where all that tension is. Once you understand that and really focus on that, then your belief that the body line will kind of lift itself up is more believable. And you really hopefully are at that point in this course that you believe that in order to fix this dent, you've got to fix the stronger edge right there near the trim.